Prepare yourself for a truly out-of-this-world food adventure at Pizza Planet. Hello, fellow food trippers! Come and join us as we explore Pizza Planet, one of Greenhills' exciting food destinations, serving freshly made pizza, flavorful pasta, best-selling chicken wings, and more on the Floor of Greenhills Mall, Ortigas Avenue, San Juan City. The dining spot is known for its futuristic, outer space vibe, and cosmic atmosphere with neon lighting and colorful decorations that create a cozy, spacious, and artsy setting. Pizza Planet is a full-service restaurant offering 3 irresistible meal plans. The basic menu plan comes with an enticing selection that starts at 619 pesos for a minimum of 2 diners. The premium menu is at 739 pesos, comes with more mouth-watering choices, and also covers everything in the basic menu plan. And the super premium menu plan is at 839 pesos for a minimum of 4 diners, and is served with an abundant variety of choices and is inclusive of the basic and premium menu. Each meal plan comes with plain rice and unlimited servings of red cranberry iced tea and blue lemonade. With all these extensive menus of flavors made in heaven, what meal plan will you try? We opted for the super premium menu to try their highly popular Quarter Super Premium and the Quarter Premium Pizza, savoring 4 distinct premium flavors in a single pie. And why not? The mouth-watering flavors of the Quarter Super Premium Pizza are honey pepperoni, a classic pepperoni pizza topped with honey, truffle mushroom, combination of mushrooms and aromatic truffle oil, ikayaki, a Japanese street food-inspired pizza, topped with grilled squid and bonito flakes, and spinach pesto with cream cheese. The pizza crust was soft, chewy, and flavorful, while the cheese and toppings blended very well, making every bite delicious and satisfying. In addition, the Quarter Premium Pizza has an exciting touch of our favorite local flavors like sisig, garlic shrimp, cheeseburger, and super basil. These pizza combos made us enjoy multiple flavors at once. We also crave the Prosciutto Crudo pizza, served with thinly sliced cured prosciutto atop a crispy crust. I tell you, it is a must-try. For our starters, we ordered 3 of their cosmic bites: cheesy garlic waffle fries, Mexican corn, and the Nachos Overload. Highly recommended too are the fried chicken wings, which were juicy, crispy, and packed with exciting flavors, making for the most delicious bites, like the creamy jalapeno, teriyaki, soy pineapple, honey patis, honey mustard, and salted egg. The pasta selections perfectly complete the meal, offering a twist on old favorites. The Basil Pesto pasta was intense with herby flavors, while the Basil Ravioli pasta had pillowy pasta in creamy sauce topped with parmesan. Surprisingly, the signature black shrimp pasta was bursting with a unique umami flavor. This is a must order to experience the one-of-a-kind taste everyone is talking about. One bite and you'll understand why it's a bestseller. We are lucky to have chanced upon their special Andy promo offer from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., which has officially upgraded its basic, premium, and super premium menus with added dishes featuring a whole galaxy of new flavors that are literally out of this world. Pizza lovers with a sweet tooth are treated to additional dishes like tiramisu and strawberry ice cream, the best kind to indulge in the basic set, as well as light starters for the premium menu set like blueberry vinaigrette with caramelized walnut salad and the Asian salad. Moreover, a new soup selection is now included in the premium and super premium set with Milky Way shiitake cream, Emerald Nebula asparagus cream, Cosmic tomato soup, and the Sunburst pumpkin soup. We opted for the warm bowl of pumpkin soup with a creamy sweet flavor, and the asparagus cream with a mild refreshing earthy flavor profile along with our starter meals. And the best additions are the mouth-watering grilled pork ribs and smoky chicken and beef kebabs in the super premium menu set that's tender and packed with flavor in every bite. Honestly, made us crave more. Pizza Planet rolled out its best deal with these only menu additions. So hurry and taste the premium difference today. It's unlimited, so you can definitely go back for seconds and thirds. Catch these promo upgrades now, which are for a limited time offer only. With its enticing meal plans, reasonable prices, and a wide menu selection to suit all ages, Pizza Planet offers value for money that is worth a visit. So don't let your cravings wait any longer. Make space for Pizza Planet to experience everyday galactic moments. It is where you can have an unforgettable dining experience and fun memories with your friends, family, and loved ones. Please like, share, and subscribe for more food trips, good eats, buffet adventures, and restaurant discoveries around the metropolis. See you on our next delicious adventure. Thank you for watching, fellow food trippers.
We're never gonna stop.